Okay, who wants to go first? We want to get a little advice from us newcomers. Wally's first?
Yeah, we can do first.
Wally?
What do you want to know?
Some secret to lefse making.
The only thing I say is that you gotta get the flour rubbed into your board good first and so, and turn it off. Roll out a little bit and then flip it and keep turning it. And feather it out. Don't force it out. Just kind of feather it out. Just say, roll it in. That's all you're doing.
Okay. Dad?
Well, when you're mixing, don't be afraid to handle it. I think the more you handle this stuff and work the creases out, and the smoother it gets.
Betty?
Well, main thing is to hold your stick the right way and watch it bubble, and when it bubbles, it's ready to turn.
Okay. Irene?
Yeah. You gotta add flour when you're rolling because that's what sticks, why it sticks. So you gotta sprinkle a little bit of flour on your pastry while you're making it because it always sticks, it seems like it.
Okay.
And frying it, it's got to be always set at 500 degrees. Your left iron has to be always 500.
Okay.
And keep the flour off the grill because burnt flour smell terrible.
Okay.
And one thing too, though, don't roll your left up on the stick until the iron is ready, because if you hold it too long on the stick, it's going to get sticky and you can't get it unrolled.
You gotta roll it iron gets as you guys. There's someone ahead of you that are done. You gotta hold it, but lay it flat before you put the wrapper on the stick. It sticks to the stick.
Okay.
Now
you
got butter when you eat it.
And sugar.
And how do we do as students?
Well, I think you done real good.
No, I thought so too. I'm real
For the
happy.
first jab, I know it.
I'm real happy
You
with
done
it.
real good.
In comparison to what I've seen sometimes to help them out down in Southern Norway.
And I
So
think Betty can easily, because she's prior art down there, she knows what's good and what isn't.
Okay.
But I think like here too, it's better this way than going down to Southern Norway and having 15 people trying to show 15 people how to do it.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, it don't get done right.
No, I think just 5 people is enough.
Okay, do you want it?
Oh, we don't have the butter though.
That's all right.
You want to taste it?
No.
You don't eat it?
Anybody want to taste our product?
I'll eat it. I'll bite it. Is there a little piece here?
Oh,
Big.
those are big pieces.
Oh, I'll just tear off a little bit.
You can have butter.
No, I'll just eat it like this.
He wants to taste
Keep
it.
it tender.
Keep it tender.
Yeah, good.
It looked good when I was putting it.
Wally, did you want to taste?
There you go. I'll have some of that later on.
Okay. Well, thank you very much. So to our instructors. Woohoo!